Coverity, a developer's best friend. In the world of software development, quality is king. We, as developers, strive to build applications that are not only functional, but also secure and reliable. But sometimes bugs slip through the cracks. That's where Coverity comes in. Think of it as a super-powered magnifying glass for your code. Coverity is a static analysis tool that helps developers find and fix defects in their code early in the development process. It acts like an eagle-eyed assistant, meticulously examining every line of your code for potential issues. From security vulnerabilities to performance bottlenecks, Coverity sniffs them out, saving you from headaches down the road. But Coverity isn't just about finding problems, it's about helping you build better software. By identifying potential issues early on, Coverity allows you to address them before they become major problems. This not only saves you time and money in the long run, but also leads to a more robust and secure final product. So, whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Coverity is a tool worth having in your arsenal. So, how does Coverity actually work? Imagine you've written a piece of code. Before you release it into the wild, you want to make sure it's free of errors. Coverity acts like a meticulous code reviewer, scanning your code line by line without actually executing it. It analyzes your code structure, looking for patterns and anomalies that might indicate a problem. For example, it can identify potential buffer overflows, memory leaks, or even security vulnerabilities like SQL injection flaws. Essentially, it's like having a super smart robot looking over your shoulder, pointing out potential pitfalls before they turn into major disasters. The beauty of Coverity is that it doesn't just point out the problem, it often suggests solutions as well. It provides detailed reports highlighting the issue, its location, and potential ways to fix it. This allows you to understand the problem and address it quickly and efficiently, leading to cleaner, more secure, and more reliable code. Coverity falls under the category of static analysis tools. Unlike dynamic analysis tools that examine your code while it's running, static analysis tools like Coverity work by analyzing the source code itself. They don't need the code to be executed, which means they can catch a wider range of potential issues, including those that might not manifest during regular testing. Think of it like this: if dynamic analysis is like checking for leaks in a boat while you're sailing, static analysis is like inspecting the boat's hull before it even touches the water. Both are important, but static analysis allows you to identify and fix structural weaknesses before they become major problems. This proactive approach not only saves time and resources, but also leads to a higher quality product. By catching and fixing issues early, you reduce the risk of costly bugs and security vulnerabilities slipping into your final release. Coverity isn't just some niche tool used by a handful of developers. It's a powerful, industry-proven solution used by some of the biggest names in tech. Organizations like NASA, Samsung, and even the US Department of Homeland Security rely on Coverity to ensure the quality and security of their software. These organizations understand that software quality is paramount, especially when lives are at stake. Whether it's ensuring the safety of a space shuttle launch or protecting sensitive government data, Coverity provides the confidence that their code is as robust and secure as possible.